Welcome to Wild World. I'm your host, Anthony Wright. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of the wilderness to encounter some of the most awe-inspiring creatures on Earth. We're counting down the top 5 biggest cats of the world, exploring their unique characteristics, behaviors, and the environments they inhabit. From the dense jungles of Asia to the vast savannas of Africa, these apex predators reign supreme, showcasing the raw power and majesty of the natural world. Join me as we witness their hunting prowess, marvel at their intricate markings, and delve into the delicate balance they maintain within their ecosystems. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Wild World for more amazing wildlife content. Let's begin our adventure. Our journey begins in the heart of the Asian wilderness, home to the largest of all the big cats, the tiger. A magnificent creature of immense power and beauty, the tiger can grow to over 10 feet in length and weigh over 600 pounds, a testament to its position at the top of the food chain. These solitary hunters are masters of their domain, their iconic orange and black stripes providing perfect camouflage as they stalk silently through the undergrowth. Their prey, mainly large ungulates like deer and wild boar, stand little chance against the tiger's lightning-fast reflexes and deadly bite. But the life of a tiger is not without its challenges. Habitat loss and poaching have pushed these magnificent creatures to the brink, making conservation efforts more crucial than ever before. We journey now to the golden savannas of Africa, home to the lion, a creature often referred to as the king of the jungle. While not technically a jungle dweller, the lion's regal mane and commanding presence certainly exude an air of royalty. Lions are unique among big cats for their social structure, living in prides consisting of related females, their cubs, and a few adult males. This cooperative living allows them to bring down larger prey, such as zebra and wildebeest, that would be difficult for a solitary hunter to tackle. Witnessing a lion pride in action is a true spectacle of nature. The coordinated movements, the strategic encirclement of their prey, and the raw power of their attack showcase the pinnacle of predatory teamwork. Chapter 3: Jaguar, Phantom of the Amazon. Our quest for the world's biggest cats takes us now to the lush rainforests of South America, home to the jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas. These elusive predators are masters of camouflage, their spotted coats blending seamlessly into the dappled light of the forest floor. Jaguars are solitary creatures, their territories often encompassing vast stretches of rainforest. They are powerful hunters, capable of taking down a wide variety of prey, from caiman and deer to fish and turtles. Their incredibly strong bite allows them to pierce the skulls of their prey, a testament to their predatory prowess. Sadly, like many of the world's big cats, jaguars face threats from habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict. Chapter 4: Leopard, the Adaptable Predator. Our journey takes us next to the diverse landscapes of Africa and Asia, home to the incredibly adaptable leopard. These skilled climbers are equally at home in the grasslands, forests, and even mountainous regions, their spotted coats providing effective camouflage in a variety of environments. Leopards are solitary hunters, their diet consisting of a wide range of prey, from small mammals and birds to larger animals like antelope. They are known for their incredible strength, often dragging their kills up trees to keep them safe from scavengers. Their adaptability and opportunistic hunting style have allowed leopards to thrive in a variety of habitats. However, they too face threats from habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict, highlighting the need for continued conservation efforts. Chapter 5: Cougar, Ghost of the Mountains. Our final stop takes us to the Americas, home to the cougar, also known as the mountain lion. These elusive cats are found in a variety of habitats, from the mountainous regions of the west to the swamps and forests of the east. Cougars are solitary and highly adaptable predators, their diet consisting of deer, elk, and even smaller prey like rabbits and rodents. They are known for their incredible stealth and agility, often ambushing their prey from the cover of vegetation. Despite their adaptability, cougars face threats from habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and hunting. Protecting these elusive cats and their prey base is crucial for ensuring their continued survival in a rapidly changing world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Wild World for more incredible wildlife content. We've journeyed across continents, delved into the heart of diverse ecosystems, and come face to face with some of the planet's most magnificent predators. The world's big cats, with their power, grace, and beauty, remind us of the incredible diversity and wonder of the natural world. But their stories also highlight the challenges they face in a world increasingly impacted by human activities. It is our responsibility to ensure their survival for generations to come. Join me next time on Wild World as we continue our exploration of the planet's most fascinating creatures. See you next time!